Do you want to know how you can add your personal information on Melbet? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can keep your personal account information on Melbet. Go ahead and open any browser and go to melbet.in and log into your profile. After that, hover around your profile option and click on Personal Profile. This, my guys, are your personal profile. You can change your personal profile by adding in your account number, your password, your registration date, and some other personal infos are your surname, your document number, your document issue name, your first name, your date of birth. So go ahead and write this down. So after you choose your date of birth, you can see the document issue type or date. You can select these as well, and then select your country and write down your place of birth. After you do that, go ahead and write down your permanent register address, and you can see that there's option of document type as well, and your contacts is here as well. After that, you can click on save, and you can keep this on order, only then will it be changed. So do this, click send, and you can set your account information. So guys, this is how you set your personal account information on Melbet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.